Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm continuing my home SOC Lab project where I'm building a small security monitoring environment to understand how real SOC systems work. In the previous setup, I have installed Sysmon on my domain controller and endpoints. Now, in this part, I am adding Suricata. Let's quickly understand what Suricata is. Suricata is an open source network security monitoring tool. It works as an intrusion detection and prevention system, which means it can inspect network traffic and identify potentially malicious activity. It analyzes packets moving through the network and compares them with known attack signatures or suspicious behaviors. In this SOC lab, I'm using Suricata on pfSense so that all the traffic passing through the firewall can be inspected. This allows us to detect things like port scans, suspicious connections, or potential attacks happening in the network. So let's begin our setup. Let's log in inside our pfSense to integrate Suricata with our firewall. So this is our firewall. So I will go system, then package manager. I will search for the available packages. I'm going to search for Suricata. There's only one package available here for Suricata, so I'm just going to install it. Confirm. And now the package installation will start. So yeah, our pfSense package has already been installed. Now we're going to see. We'll go to service. Here you can find Suricata. I'm going to open it. In interface, I'm going to open add. Now this shows that Suricata requires hardware checksum offloading, TCP segmentation offloading, and hardware large receiving offloading for receiving proper operations. So next, system events, networking. Now I'm going to disable hardware checksum. I'm going to save it. Now it is rebooting, and I just have to wait until it reboots. Now the Suricata has been rebooted, and now I'm just going to log in again. been restarted. And here in this, I am going to click on edit. Here we have WAN interface selected here. Enable HTTP log. This is based upon your work, but for my project, I will be keeping it enabled. I'm going to open a block of vendors. I'm going to keep it default. I'm going to use legacy mode. And now I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm going to make interface for LAN also. So I will click add. So now this is for LAN interface. I want to do monitoring on LAN interface. So I will keep everything default and just save it. Now Suricata status is on and the blocking mode is disabled on the LAN interface. So now I've opened the global setting. Okay, in this I'm going to firstly open up the install ET emerging threat rules because these are this is for the home lab. So this is helpful for me. Next there is for install snort rules also. I will not be using it, but you can do it based on your conditions. I'm going to open up this one, install snort GPL v2 committee rules. User is to be free of charge, that means not subscriber license restrictions. I will go for install Fero Tracker Botnet C2 IP rule, abuse switch SSL blacklist rule, update interval. I will change it to 12 every 12 hours. Okay for me. Yeah. So I won't be doing the other stuff, so I will just directly save this. Now I will open update and update. So yeah, now you can see the rules Here, these are the recent alert entries. If there is any intrusion being blocked, you can see it here. So currently, yeah, there is no host being blocked by Suricata. So yeah, here you can see alert logs and HTTP logs. So here you can see the HTTP logs. So you can see where the traffic is going in this and who is generating that traffic. Then there is log management, the limit of the logs in size, SID management. This allows to disable or enable modify specific intrusion detection rules. So that's how Suricata is integrated into my home SOC Lab environment. In this setup, Suricata helps monitor network traffic and detect potential threats as they occur. The next step will be integrating and analyzing the logs so that the alerts generated by different systems can be monitored more effectively in our SIM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as I continue building this SOC Lab.